If you own a 2020 or newer Polaris Slingshot and you've been searching for an easy way to power your low-amperage 12-volt accessories, you're going to love this mod. Introducing the Phantom Shield 12-volt accessory power harness. This harness is 100% plug-and-play and gives you a quick and convenient way to connect your favorite 12-volt accessories like LED accent lights, wireless phone chargers, and more. Each kit includes a terminal block that supports up to 3 12-volt mods. Installing the harness is simple. Turn off your ignition and add dielectric grease to the connectors on your aftermarket accessory harness. Open the hood and locate the factory accessory harness plug directly behind the glove box in the engine bay. On S models, the factory connector will usually be capped and unused. Just remove the cap, connect the Phantom Shield harness, then reuse the cap to cover the unused connector. On higher-end models, such as the R model, the connector may already be in use for factory accessories. In this case, simply unplug the existing connectors and insert the Phantom Shield harness inline to tap into power. Once installed, flip the ignition back on and you'll have a 12-volt signal at the lever locks. Orange is positive and blue is negative. To connect your mods, turn off your ignition. Lift up a positive and negative lever lock. Strip the end of the wires from your mod, insert it into the corresponding color, then push down to secure. Now your accessories will turn on and off with the ignition. The harness includes a 10-amp inline fuse. Always make sure the total current draw of your connected mods does not exceed the fuse's 10-amp rating. In our opinion, this is a must-have mod for any Slingshot owner. It's easy to use, easy to install, and a no-brainer if you need a quick 12-volt power connection. Get yours today at slingmods.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.